In this quick video guide, we're going to see how we can generate content using Flux AI. So Flux AI offers different types of tools, like for example, the context AI, image generator, video generator, and it depends how many coins you need to do something. So if, for example, for the video, you need like 200, 300 coins, but there are also some free tools and free features that we can try. So up here, usually on the top, you will see free tools, or you can just search for them in the channel. What I want to show you here among these different tools, just for this video guide, I want to show you the action figure, free action figure creator or generator. And there are also other options, but we will talk about those in other videos. And so here I am in the action figure generator just to play a little bit. And I'm going to just click on one of these to remix it so I can use the same image templates. So essentially you need to upload an image of yours. It could be your image, for example, and then you can select template images and a style that you want to use. Like, for example, like Simpsons here, or um, something more serious, something more entertainment. It depends on your needs. So I'm going to go with the action figure generator here, and you can put a title. I'm going to put Happy New Year because this video is for to celebrate the new year. This is the 1st of January, and I'm going to type also a subtitle. So let's say best wishes. And then you can put some objects in the blister here in the packaging. So that's what it's going to generate. It's going to generate a graphic with inside some tools and props that are all packed together to have that kind of toy effect. So I'm going to type here some words like grass and surfboard, beach ball, and whatever. Just, do whatever you want. You only need 40 coins for this, so it's going to be free because you have 40 coins to start. And I'm going to drag and drop the image there as the starting image, but you can again upload whatever image you want, especially you can upload your image. And that's it. So this is the result. So fun, so easy, so quick, and so simple. And this will be all for this video guide. And again, I wish you a happy new year, and check our other courses and video guides in the channel. Subscribe to stay updated for other video guides and video courses, and join if you want to support us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.